Swiss Meringue Buttercream is a great buttercream to work with, especially in cake decorating. However, you will find that when you create batches ahead of time, your buttercream is not going to be silky smooth as it was the day you made it. And we're going to show you how you can restore this buttercream. First, we're going to transfer our buttercream into our mixing bowl. And there's a few different methods on how you can warm your buttercream to soften it so that you can re-whip it. One method is the microwave, but we're actually going to place our mixing bowl over some heat, and that's how we're going to warm up our buttercream. We'll be heating our buttercream using an induction oven on low heat. So with our spatula, we're just going to move the buttercream around until it softens. You don't want to melt the entire mixture, just about a quarter, maybe a little more. Now we're going to remove our buttercream. And now we're just going to continue to mix. Go ahead and transfer this to our mixer. Now, using a paddle attachment, we are going to begin to mix our melted buttercream. We're going to start on low speed and gradually increase that speed. Now we're going to check our consistency. As you can see, it has now been restored to a silky smooth texture, and you're now ready to ice a cake. Be sure to subscribe to the Baked Deco channel for more content like this.